Welcome. English learning. Passive voice. Tom helps John. Active voice. John is helped by Tom. Passive voice. When the verb of a sentence shows that the subject is the doer of the action, we say it is in the active voice. When the verb of a sentence shows that something is done to the subject, we say it is in the passive voice. When a sentence is changed from the active form to the passive, the object to the active verb becomes the subject to the passive verb. Sita loves Savitri. Savitri is loved by Sita. The mason is building the wall. The wall is being built by the mason. The peon opened the gate. The gate was opened by the peon. Some boys were helping the wounded man. The wounded man was being helped by some boys. He will finish the work in a fortnight. The work will be finished by him in a fortnight. The active voice is used when the doer is to be made prominent. The passive voice is used when the person or thing acted upon is to be made prominent. In passive voice, the agent with by is usually avoided when the active form has unknown or vague subject as somebody, they, people, we, one, etc. The agent with by is also avoided when it is understood. Someone has stolen my book. My book has been stolen. They have invited her to the party. She has been invited to the party. The police have arrested the thief. The thief has been arrested. People speak English all over the world. English is spoken all over the world. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share.